Hey, my loves, welcome back to my channel. First of all, to all my ladies, wishing you a very happy Women's Day. And today I've created this amazing creation using Athena by Ucanbe eyeshadow palette, paint palette. So keep watching the video. First of all, I would be starting with the cleansing, and I'm using this cleanser from Ayur. Just take a cotton and just wipe the excess dirt and oil from your face. Now I'll be using this toner from Jovel's. Just spray few of them, and now the moisturizer, and I'm using this super hydrating aquaholic moisturizer from Sugar. Now the primer from Color Bar, just a little bit to avoid creasing. Now I'll be correcting my face. I'm using this corrector palette from Inside. I'm using the orange corrector from my palette just to cover the dark circles and blemishes. Now I'll be taking a green corrector to avoid a pimple. Now with the help of PSC blending brush, I'll be quickly blending this up. Now the foundation from Bobbi Brown, just a little bit, and just dot it all over your face. With the help of foundation brush, I'll be blending this completely. Make sure it blends evenly into your skin, and this gives such a lovely coverage. Now some setting powder. I'm using this powder from My Glam, and with the help of PAC brush, I will be blending this. Now a little bit of shimmer to your eyeshadow. Now I'm using this amazing palette from Athena by Ucanbe, and I'm drawing a floral print on my face. This palette is amazing for beginners, those who want to start with the painting, face painting basically, and it has a very good pigmentation, and it has very amazing poppy bright shades as well. Now I'm using this little bit of glitter paint from my palette on my eyeshadow just to give that extra effect to my eyes. Now a little bit of brown. You can see the creation, it has turned to be such a beautiful creation. Little bit of the green to give the leaf shade color. Using the white color from the palette to give the effects. Now the blush from Color Bar. Just a little. Now a little bit of highlight and bronzer from this amazing palette from Bobbi Brown. Now the eyeshadow. The eyeliner I'm using is from Maybelline. Now I'll be covering the extra with the help of eyebrow pencil, and the mascara from iTex Dazzler. Now last but not the least is the setting spray, and it's done. So we are born to rule, dominate, and be the shine. We are the power, we are the one. Let's rule the world together. La 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 la. Hmm 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 hmm. Na 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 na. So very happy advance Women's Day to all my friends, family. Thank you.